The rise of the robot empire, China's dominance in humanoid manufacturing. Step into the future where robots rule the assembly lines and humanoid machines walk amongst us. China's prowess in crafting these human-like robots is reshaping industries worldwide. But what does this mean for the future of work and society? China's ascent in humanoid manufacturing has been meteoric. From lifelike robots to automated factories, they lead the charge into a new era. In this video, we'll explore China's dominance in this field, its implications, and the questions it raises. China's pursuit of excellence in humanoid robotics hinges on relentless technological advancements. Despite facing challenges in chip and software development, the country has made significant strides in crafting lifelike robots. These advancements are propelled by a combination of research, innovation, and strategic investments in emerging technologies. One key aspect of China's technological prowess lies in its ability to create robots that closely mimic human movements and behaviors. This feat requires sophisticated engineering and AI algorithms to ensure fluid motion and intuitive interaction. By pushing the boundaries of hardware and software integration, Chinese researchers and engineers continue to refine the capabilities of humanoid robots, paving the way for more versatile and adaptable machines. Moreover, China's focus on enhancing the intelligence and autonomy of humanoid robots is driving innovation in machine learning and cognitive computing. These robots are equipped with sensors, cameras, and advanced processing units that enable them to perceive and respond to their environment in real time. As a result, they can navigate complex scenarios, interact with humans, and perform a wide range of tasks with precision and efficiency. Furthermore, China's commitment to technological advancements extends to the development of modular and scalable robot platforms. This approach allows for rapid prototyping and customization, enabling manufacturers to tailor robots to specific applications and industries. By embracing open-source frameworks and collaborative development models, China fosters a vibrant ecosystem of robot developers, researchers, and enthusiasts, fueling further innovation and knowledge sharing. In essence, China's technological advancements in humanoid robotics represents a convergence of cutting-edge engineering, AI, and robotics. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible, China's at the forefront of shaping the future of robotics, with implications that extend far beyond industrial applications. China's humanoid robots find application across a diverse range of sectors, from industrial automation to personal assistance, showcasing their versatility and potential impact on society. In industrial settings, humanoid robots are deployed for tasks such as assembly, welding, and quality inspection, where they excel in precision and efficiency. By automating repetitive and labor-intensive processes, these robots enhance productivity and safety while reducing operational costs for manufacturers. Outside of the industrial realm, humanoid robots are increasingly integrated into service industries, including healthcare, hospitality, and retail. In healthcare, robots assist medical professionals with tasks such as patient care, rehabilitation, and surgery, augmenting human capabilities and improving patient outcomes. Similarly, in hospitality and retail settings, robots greet customers, provide information, and even assist with inventory management, enhancing the overall customer experience and operational efficiency. Moreover, humanoid robots hold promise in personal assistance scenarios, where they can perform tasks ranging from household chores to companionship for the elderly and disabled. These robots offer assistance with tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and monitoring vital signs, enabling individuals to maintain independence and quality of life. Additionally, their ability to interact socially and empathetically makes them valuable companions for those in need of emotional support and companionship. As the technology matures and becomes more affordable, the potential application of humanoid robots will continue to expand, transforming various aspects of our daily lives. From industrial automation to personal assistance, China's humanoid robots are poised to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact with technology in the years to come. China's humanoid robot market is experiencing rapid growth, driven by both domestic demand and global recognition of the country's technological prowess. Projections indicate a significant increase in sales volume and market value, reflecting the sector's promising trajectory and potential impact on various industries. The Chinese government's strategic initiatives and policies play a pivotal role in fostering the growth of the humanoid robot market. Investments in research and development, as well as incentives for manufacturers and startups, stimulate innovation innovation and entrepreneurship in the robotics sector. Additionally, regulatory frameworks that encourage collaboration and technology transfer further accelerate the adoption of humanoid robots in key industries. Moreover, China's vast manufacturing ecosystem provides a fertile ground for the adoption of humanoid robots across various sectors. As manufacturers seek to improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and enhance product quality, they increasingly turn to automation solutions, including humanoid robots. This trend is particularly evident in industries such as automotive, electronics, and consumer goods, where the demand for precision and agility drives the need for advanced robotic systems. Furthermore, China's growing emphasis on service industries, including healthcare, hospitality, and retail, presents new opportunities for humanoid robot deployment. As the population ages and consumer expectations evolve, there is a growing demand for innovative solutions that improve service delivery and customer experience. Humanoid robots, with their ability to interact socially and perform a wide range of tasks, are well positioned to address these emerging needs and drive market growth in service-oriented industries. Looking ahead, analysts predict continued expansion of the Chinese humanoid robot market, with sales volume and market value projected to increase significantly in the coming years. Government support, technological advancements, and evolving consumer preferences are expected to fuel demand for humanoid robots across various applications, cementing China's position as a global leader in robotics, innovation, and market penetration. China's humanoid robot market is poised for exponential growth, fueled by a combination of technological innovation, government support, and market demand. As the country continues to invest in research, development, and industrialization of humanoid robotics, the sector is expected to play an increasingly vital role in driving economic growth, fostering innovation, and shaping the future of industries worldwide. Collaboration lies at the heart of China's efforts to advance humanoid robotics as public and private entities join forces to drive innovation and progress to the sector. Initiatives such as Beijing Humanoid Robot Innovation Center serve as hubs for research, development, and standardization, fostering a collaborative ecosystem where ideas are shared and expertise is pooled. By bringing together leading experts, researchers, and industry players, these collaborative endeavors accelerate the pace of technological advancement and market expansion. Joint research projects, technology transfer agreements, and cross-sector partnerships enable participants to leverage complementary strengths and resources, driving breakthroughs in humanoid robot design, manufacturing, and application. Moreover, collaborative initiatives facilitate the establishment of common technological platforms and regulatory standards, streamlining development processes and ensuring interoperability across different robot models and applications. By fostering open innovation and knowledge sharing, China's collaborative endeavors in humanoid robotics pave the way for greater industry cohesion, competitiveness, and long-term sustainability. While China's humanoid robotics industry holds immense promise, it also faces several challenges that must be addressed to fully unlock its potential. One key challenge is the need for continued advancements in chip and software development, as well as improvements in hardware reliability and durability. Addressing these technological hurdles requires sustained investment in research, development, and talent cultivation to ensure that Chinese humanoid robots remain competitive on the global stage. Additionally, supply chain constraints and global competition pose significant challenges to the growth and expansion of China's humanoid robot market. Overcoming these obstacles requires strategic initiatives to strengthen domestic supply chains, enhance collaboration between industry players, and mitigate geopolitical risks that could impact trade and investment in the robotics sector. However, amidst these challenges lie abundant opportunities for China's humanoid robotics industry to thrive and flourish. The country's vast market potential, government support, and growing demand for automation solutions present fertile ground for innovation and entrepreneurship. By harnessing these opportunities and leveraging its technological capabilities, China can position itself as a global leader in humanoid robotics, driving economic growth, job creation, and technological innovation for years to come.